this job without Lydia. And as an active person that at the same time I'm doing weights, I'm doing activities where I'm jumping around, playing basketball, I need some earbuds that are gonna stay in my ears. And this is where this Beats Fit Pro just works in perfectly. I like about this is how great is the lockdown. I just put this on, slide it in my ears, and it's gonna stay there forever. It doesn't matter if I do like any hard moves or I do quick transitions. It just stay right into place. The quality of the sound is pretty good, and it just has a nice software about how it just links with the phone, and it just does the job perfectly. So the main point of what I like about this is just the lockdown. It's just perfect shape for my ears that even if I do anything, it's not gonna move. The sound is just a nice punchy and bass, and that's exactly what you need when you're going through the whole process of a workout, or you're just trying to chill and just be mindful that it's not gonna fall off your ear that easy because of the hooks. So this was John, WTI, and that was my point of view.